Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on home screen and lock screen on your Android 16 devices. This is the my Google Pixel 10 device running the latest Android 16 version. So if you want to change the wallpaper, follow this tutorial. Here you can see about phone Pixel 10. When you tap on it, you can find the version Android version 16. So to change the wallpaper on your Android 16 device, follow this guide. Tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style, and you can also use your phone settings like open the app drawer, tap the settings, scroll down, and you can find the wallpaper and style here. Tap on the wallpaper and style. Now here you can see the lock screen option and home screen option. Just swipe and you can find the wallpapers option. So tap on the wallpapers. Here you can see the wallpaper studio. If you want to select your photo from gallery, here you need to select this. In the live effect, you can add the live effect to wallpaper like rain effect, snow effect. We already create a video on this, so you can find video link in the description. Also check the I button to see how to apply live effect, weather effect on your wallpaper. So tap on it, select the any photo on your device. Like we select this photo on my phone. Now here you can apply different shapes on the wallpaper you select. Also apply background color change, increase or decrease like this. Now tap on the weather effect. Here you can see the by default set the local effect. Here you can select the fog, increase or decrease fog effect like this to move the slider. Rain effect. Now increase rain effect if you want, or slow also snow effect. So you can increase decrease snow effect. Sun, direct sunlight to your face like this. Also create the cinematic 3D motion photo also on your device. And tap on next to apply this wallpaper. Other you can create a AI wallpaper also on your latest Android 16 version. So select the any category and change the text of the underline. If you want to customize your own AI create image on your device. Also create the ER emoji on your device. You can add up to 16 emoji, add emoji pattern, different pattern or emoji colors you want on your device. And at the bottom you can see the list of collections on available on your Android device. So select the any wallpaper. If you want to select your own photo, select the more photo option and select photo from the gallery on your device. So now here we select the default wallpaper on my phone. Now we select this photo. Now here you can see how it looks on your lock screen and home screen. You want to set. Tap on the next button. Here you need to select lock screen on home screen you want to set. So here we select only home screen. Tap on apply button. Now apply wallpaper to home screen successfully. You can see change the my home screen wallpaper. If you want to set the photo from your Google photo or gallery, select open the Google photo on your device. Select any photo. Tap on the three vertical dots. Tap on a use as. Tap on a wallpaper. Now here you can see how it looks on home screen on lock screen. Also tap on the effect at the bottom to apply the different effect. Like this is the new available. So we select this option. Change the background you want like this. Apply the weather effect also you want like we if fog, rain, snow, sun. So fog is the good in this. Now tap on the top right arrow icon. Tap on the next button. Select the home screen lock screen. So we select the lock screen now here. Tap on the apply button. Now lock your phone. You can see apply the effect to lock screen. So quite easy to set the home screen wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper on your Android 16. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.